Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to deposit money from Wells Fargo to Standard Chartered in 2025. With the latest banking tech advancements, this process is faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're handling international transfers for work, family, or investments, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, ensure you have accounts at both Wells Fargo and Standard Chartered. In 2025, most banks use AI-driven apps, so make sure yours are updated. Start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app or logging into their website. You'll need to verify your identity with biometrics like fingerprint or facial recognition, super quick and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers section. Look for the International Wire Transfer option. It's usually highlighted for ease. Now, enter the recipient's details. That's Standard Chartered's account number, routing code, and the SWIFT code for international deposits. Don't forget to include the amount and any reference notes for tracking. Before confirming, double-check for any fees. By 2025, many banks offer reduced rates for digital transfers, but they can vary. Hit send, and you'll get an instant confirmation via email or push notification. The transfer might take 1 to 3 business days, depending on currencies involved. Pro tip: use Wells Fargo's currency converter tool to avoid surprises with exchange rates. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider setting up recurring transfers for automation. Always monitor your accounts for security. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. And that's it, you've successfully deposited money across banks. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support. They're more responsive than ever with chatbots and 24/7 help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. See you in the next video.